So magandang araw Kabole, sa video na ito, dalawa lang yung pag-uusapan natin. Yun pong naging sitwasyon po ni Avan Nava Kabole sa San Miguel Beermen, and yung finally po, pagsalita po ng direkta ng PBA Board, the head of the PBA Board of Governor sa problema po ng PBA sa parity at unfair trade. So kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Dito muna tayo sa sitwasyon po ni Avan Nava Kabole. So nabalitaan natin yan yung number 12 pick po siya ng San Miguel Beermen, the most recent draft. Pero nabalitaan natin nga na napunta po siya sa TNT trying out to get a spot. And then just a few days after na-explain po lahat ng sitwasyon, pumirma din po siya ngayon ng kontrata dito nga po sa San Miguel Beermen Kabole, which is for me very surprising. That's San Miguel Beermen Kabole, diba? Imagine that, San Miguel Beermen having a hard time signing a rookie, diba? Ano yan eh, may dalawang angulo yan. Unang angulo dyan, baka may financial difficulty na yung San Miguel, kaya nahirapan sila, Kabole. Or pwede rin naman actually nagkaroon ng miscommunication. Pero yung pangalawang angulo dyan, siguro ito yung mas close sa katotohanan, which is yung pong ine-expect ngayon ng mga batang PBA player o yung mga batang players po na pumasok sa liga, talagang mas mataas na. Dahil nga po, sa alam naman nila yung presyohan na sa International League. And now, nasa PBA na yan kung paano po sila mag-a-adjust. Kung mag-a-adjust man po sila at hindi na naman po sila magtitigasan po, Kabole. And now, Kabole, it's time to talk about the statements of Ricky Vargas. I think he is the head, Kabole, the main governor, the chairman of the PBA Board of Governors. First, respect, diba? I will give him the respect, Kabole, for answering directly the question regarding the unfair trade, regarding the parity. At the very least, may pag-uusapan na tayo, diba? At the very least, alam natin, Kabole, na aware naman sila na tayong mga fans, if we are voicing out against the lack of parity, Kabole, and ito nga pong mga unfair trades. Now, himay-himayin natin yung mga statements, Kabole, diba? Nitong si Commissioner Ricky Vargas, diba? Sabi ni Ricky Vargas, Kabole, you cannot fix parity, it's very subjective. Boxing is a very subjective sport. I can complain all I want na mali ang judging, and there will be 10 other people na mali yung judging. At the end, it's the team that you bring and that goes out there. Sabi niyo ko, Kabole, subjective sports daw, Kabole, yung parity, subjective. Okay, let's agree that it's subjective. We say it's subjective. You respect the opinion. It's not factual. Kabole. Then my question now is, if you think of it as subjective, then bakit hindi nyo nire-respeto yung opinion, yung subjective opinion of the overwhelming majority of PBA fans na may problema sa parity ng liga? Diba? Diba? If it's opinionated, then the way then that we should find out the truth of the matter is through who is on the majority. What's the majority subjective opinion? That's the logic, Kabole, in the way analysis. And of course, the fans, the analysts, Kabole, majority, overwhelming majority is stating that there is an issue of parity. Pero hindi po yan kinikilala ng PBA. Hindi, di ba, nasa statement niya mismo, di ba, ayaw nilang kilalanin. Nag-agree na tayo, it's subjective. Ba't ayaw nyo kilalanin yung opinion ng nakakarami na may problema nga po sa parity? And sabi niya, parity is a very big question. Who is judging a weak team? A strong team? Is UA a weak team? It's the best team? They put together, it can win. Is US still a weak team? Are you insane, Kabole? At the end of the day, it doesn't matter if we look at it as a weak or a strong team. It's the result, and the result shows, Kabole, that there is a strong, Kabole, evidences that there is no parity in the league. You want to ask us who are the victims? Check the top 3 picks in the last 7 drafts. O bakit pa ulit-ulit yung mga nandyan? Yung mga prime teams, di ba? Ba't sila pa ulit-ulit dyan kung may parity yung liga? Ano, dahil tanga lang sila, Kabole, kaya pa ulit-ulit sila nandyan sa baba? Kabole, the TNT a weak team or a strong team? Ang sabi nyo is strong because your memory of TNT is one championship. But today, it's strong team today? No. It's going through a change and rebuilding. Oh, I agree. It's going through a change and rebuilding. But you're talking about a legit team. And a legit team will act like a legit team. Like, they will act the way that they will get rain ng batak by just giving up bench players. Diba? Because they are a legit team. You are saying parity because you question the trades, but who is questioning the trades? Ito talaga yung, kumbaga, nakakasakit, diba? Kasi, ang pinupunto na dito, experts, non-experts, bisa pinupunto na niya dito, di niya kinikilala yung opinion ng mga fans, kabola. Diba? Parang, anong karapatan nyo? Parang yung sinasabi niya, anong karapatan ng mga fans na sabihin kung yung trade is unfair or fair? And that is insane, di ba? Kasi at the very first place, yung una niyang term dun sa taas na subjective, it means you accept all opinions. Kasi you look at it subjectively. Yung sasabihin mo, questionin mo ngayon, yung mga fans, yung opinion nila. Kabola. O, tingnan natin, sabihin natin, o sige, let us look at all those teams of the PBA na legit sila. So, tanga lang pala yung Terrapirma, Blackwater, Northport. Kasi if you look at all their trades, ang ginagawa po nila, they trade younger players for veterans. And if you do that, the logic is you are trying to win now. Eh, ba't paulit-ulit yung tatlo na yan na nasa baba? Ba't paulit-ulit silang nasa baba po ng standings at paulit-ulit na nasa taas po ng draft order? O, sige nga. Ano, dahil tanga lang sila? Eh, di tanga din ayun pala yung PBA Board of Governors. Kasi, bakit nyo hinayaan na nasa PBA pa yung mga hindi naman pala na alam magpatakbo? Diba? Kung ganyan po yung magiging rasonan po ninyo. Panindig balahibo lang kasi kabola kung paano nila na-explain ko. Itong explanation po ni Sir Ricky Vargas dito sa sitwasyon na ito are still trying, diba? They are still trying to shove in our faces that there is no problem.
Wait a minute!
Kabola.
Who are you?
Irritating to the highest level, di ba? The moment it was posted, kabola, yung ibang analysts, ibang mga personalities sa social media, sino Commissioner Elialen, etc., agad sila nag-react kasi hindi naman kami tangay. Di ba? Hindi naman po tanga. Even fans, hindi naman po yan tangay. At hindi po sila bulag, hindi po kami bulag doon sa nangyayari. Now, here's the hard fact pa about this one, no? I'm one of those analysts, kabola, that truly understand na may rason din kung ba't may farm teams. Pero overall, though, this type of explanation, nakakasuko eh. Nakakasuko po siya, kabola. Kasi talagang, ano mo yung parang, may gaslighting pa nga dito. Ginagaslight pa nga tayo dito eh. Diba? Ginagaslight pa nga eh. It's just so disappointing po, kabola. Kabola, agree ka ba dito sa statement ni Ricky Vargas? Comment lang po sa baba.